Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this payment method can't be used with the iTunes store. Try again using another payment method. So guys, if you're facing the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. It means you have problem with your payment method. So for that you have to open settings. Now from here you have to go back and just simply have to tap on general. Let me tell you that you have to tap on language and region. From here you have to select the same region of your payment method, okay guys, in which your debit or credit card is made. And after that go back, and from here you have to go to date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. Now go back and you have to go to VPN and device management and make sure that you are not connected with VPN. Once you have done this, after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once again guys, then what you need to do is just simply open setting, tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to go to subscription and make sure that you don't have any pending subscription here. If you have, just simply pay it or remove for them. Then go back and just simply you have to go to payment and shipping option. Just simply you have to remove the payment method and try to enter it again, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open setting, tap on your Apple ID. You have to sign out your Apple ID and just simply turn off your device and just simply turn on your device and sign in your Apple ID again, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Safari here, and just simply you have to search for getsport.apple.com. Once you search for this, you can see this type of interface. From here you have to select the gadget. I'm selecting here iPhone. Now tap on move. From here you have to select the app store option. Now from here you have to tap on continue. Let me tell you that you have to scroll it down, tap on call us, and from here you have to call the Apple support team and you can fix this problem easily. And if once again guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open setting. From here you have to tap on your Apple ID. Now from here guys, you have to tap on media and purchase, and then tap on view account. Let me tap on view account. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. Now we have to wait some seconds. Now from here guys, you have to go to country or region option. From here you have to wait some seconds, and after that you can see change country or region option. You have to tap on that. Now you have to tap on this one and just simply have to select the same country which you have selected before in your country or region. Select the same from here, and after that guys, you have to put the billing information, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.